Let's make a bracelet using paper strip. Let's start. How can I do? Take a two strip and form a L shape by overlapping the end to 90-degree angle. Fold the bottom strip over the top to create a 45-degree angle. Continue folding the strip over the another. Form the bracelet into the circular shape. Paper strip bracelet ready. Let's make a flower bracelet. Let's start. How can I do? First take a two long strip of color paper. Lay the two strip of top of each other perpendicular forming the L shape. Now you should have a zigzag pattern in the two ends together to form a circular shape. Beautiful flower bracelet ready.